Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you 4 easy methods on how to fix can't print from Google Chrome in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched and click on Open to continue. Once you are here at the Google Chrome browser, okay, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it and scroll down and look for settings, which has this gear icon. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see a list of the options here. Please proceed with reset settings. So click on it, and the moment you click on it, you would be able to see this restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and click on reset settings. So this will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts as well. And this will disable extensions and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Once you have resetted it, check if your problem has been fixed. So try to press Ctrl P in your keyboard and check if you can now print this time on. Okay? But let's say if the issue still persists, then we need to proceed to our second method. Our second method would be you need to proceed to the upper right side of the screen again, click the three dots, and this time on you need to proceed with delete browsing data. Okay, so this is the second method. This here you can see a delete browsing data window, which is you can see two options, basic, advanced. You need to click on advanced, and the moment you do that, you need to proceed with time range. Click this down arrow and select on all time. Once you're done, please scroll down and please select all of the boxes here to delete all of such. Once you have select all of the browsing history, the download history, the cookies and other site data, cached images, passwords and other sign-in data, and all of such, you need to proceed with delete data. Okay? Once you are done with the deleting of data here, the deleting browsing data, you need to check if your problem has been fixed. So press Ctrl P in your keyboard again and check if you can now print this time on. Okay? However, if not, then you need to proceed to the third method. Our third method would be we need to bring up our services. So please close the window and proceed to the button search bar. So here at the button search bar, please type for services. Once you have typed it, please proceed on clicking on open. Here at the services, you need to look for Print Spooler. To locate it easily, select any of the services, type P in the keyboard so that you would be redirected to the services starting with letter P. Here, you need to locate for Print Spooler. Once you're done, please do a right click, scroll down and click on Properties and set the startup type into Automatic. Once you're done, click on Apply and then OK. Once you have set it into automatic, navigate to the upper left side of that. Okay, in this row, please proceed on clicking restart the service to restart it. Once you have restarted it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, but let's if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our fourth and last method, and that is we need to run the troubleshooters for printer. So here at the button search bar, type on settings. The moment you do that, wait until a best match should appear. Click on open to continue. And please proceed at the left side of the screen and locate for system. Once you have located the system, you need to scroll down and look for an option called troubleshoot. I can see it here. And afterwards, you would be able to see three options. Please click on other troubleshooters and select for printer. So run the troubleshooters for printer. Follow the command there, complete the procedure. It might take some time, but it will definitely be worth it since it will help you to fix the problem. Once you are done, try to check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So those are the four methods on how to fix can't print in your Google Chrome. If you think those four steps help you a lot to fix your problem, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.